most famous physical therapist on the internet.
Hi, folks. I'm Bob Show, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical therapist.
Together we are the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
Today we're going to show you a 3-minute workout before sleep to slim down your legs. Now, as you may be thinking, this video may be oriented more to females, and you may have noticed that we are not.
Very
Right?
good observation, Bob.
Right.
Clarify
But
things.
we're going to base our recommendations on anatomy and science and the fact that we're physical therapists.
Sure.
So we don't really need to be a woman, I think, to demonstrate these.
Why are you carrying off on
Well, I
this
just,
tangent,
by the
Bob?
way, if you're new to our channel, please take a second to subscribe to us. We provide videos how to stay healthy, fit, pain-free, and we upload every day. Also, you also want to join us on our social media channels and bobandbrad.com because we're always giving something away. Just go to the giveaway section. What we're giving away right now,
we don't know because this is a
it-
future video.
This is a future video, but if you look in there, you'll see it. And it's going to be something really cool.
I don't think they really know what we mean when we say it's a future video, but
It
that's
means
okay.
we filmed it ahead of time.
Ahead
we
of
don't
time,
really,
yeah.
We don't always know what we're giving away.
It's
in
like
the
when we
future.
study for tests in college, we always studied ahead of time
Oh,
instead
yeah,
of the
we
night
did.
before.
Yeah. But also, you can, if you want a shortened version of our videos, go to Twitter and Instagram.
Yeah.
They usually have 60-second versions of our videos.
Yep.
So,
All right, Bob.
all right. So, very simple. The first thing I want to mention, though, by the way, weight loss really occurs at the dining room table, not the gym. A lot of
So you
people
do exercises at the table?
People think that they're going to do exercise, they're going to lose all this weight.
Right.
It's really your diet's going to lose the weight. The way you eat is going to lose weight. If you want muscle toning or building, that's what you do at the gym.
Right.
So what we're doing here is muscle toning, and you can do this. In this case, you can do it in the bedroom, or you can do it on the couch. You can do it on the floor, whichever way you want.
Wherever you're going to sleep that night.
That's right. So
It's going to burn some calories, but it's not going to near offset your diet.
But you do these, they'll start to tone up your legs.
Oh yeah,
without a doubt.
Get things where you
especially the thighs. So we want an exercise that's going to do the front, side, inside, and back.
right.
And we're going to get your butt a little bit too.
Right. Well, those larger muscle groups, that's beneficial as well.
So
let's carry
very
on.
simple. So you're going to start off with, you're going to be laying on your back. You bring up the one leg, it kind of helps stabilize your back and pelvis. And I'm going to be working the other leg and just doing straight leg raises like this. And you're going to do them for 20 seconds. Brad, any comments?
Well, notice he's got his leg nice and straight, locked out, and he's not allowing the leg to come down to touch, which makes a significant difference on how difficult these are.
If you go up higher, it actually is a little easier sometimes because you're giving yourself more rest.
Not only that, the leverage and the gravity is a whole. You could calculate that if we wanted
The
to.
physics, yeah. So
do
we're
some-
going to do this for 20 seconds on each leg.
Yep.
And then very simply, you're going to go to the side and you're going to do clamshells. Now that's
Ah.
going to work the hip abductors and also some of the external rotators, get the
Yep.
butt a little bit.
Mhm.
And you're going to work on clamshells. And you're going to do those for 20 seconds on each leg. You'd go on to the other side and do the other leg too.
Now this one looks like it's not going to do anything.
Oh,
But when you do it, it's like, oh, I feel some muscles burning in
you
that hip.
feel it. And I'll tell you I feel this is in the butt.
Yeah.
I mean, this is especially because you do not work the external rotators much on your legs.
Right.
And I mean, I've considered myself in decent shape, and I'm starting to fatigue here right
You're
now.
feeling
Brad.
the burn?
I'm feeling the burn.
There you go.
So you do the other side also for 20 seconds, and now we're going to do the inside of the thigh.
This one
So,
is a little awkward for some people.
it's a little bit. Yep.
Yeah.
It's you got to bring it up like this, and you can see I'm a little wavering all around.
So he needs to keep his trunk rotated this way. If you're on your back side, like go to
Right.
your back, then
yeah.
that's not going to work.
That's not gonna
You
work.
Really,
Got to stay to the
yeah.
side.
And get this knee out of the way.
Yeah.
That's a little weird.
But it's working again. This
Oh,
is
yeah.
not a muscle I
Yeah.
work, so I can definitely feel it. All right, you're going to do both sides. So you'd roll to the other side, do
Sure.
this one. And the final one is you're going to lay on your back and you're just do some bridging. So now we're working the hamstrings and the buttock.
Yep.
And what's nice to do when you're doing these is to actually squeeze your buttocks together.
Yeah. Pinch the lows. Or
Pinch the lows.
well, I heard a therapist
Well, I
say
mean,
that once.
that's a term for defecating, Brad. This is a family show. Come on. Good Lord.
Well, it's like when you make buns. Didn't you ever make buns? In it? My
Well,
mom.
pinch the buns then.
Yeah.
All right, not the loaves.
Why,
it just
Bob?
has
Let's
a
carry
bad
on.
connotation
Let's
here,
go to the
so-
next exercise.
That
Forget-
is the next one. That's it.
That's
You
it.
do that for 40 seconds. If you want to make it harder, you could do it one-legged
Oh,
ones, and you
no,
could
that,
do them.
that, yeah,
Now that's a challenge.
yes.
Now, if you want to do 20 seconds on each leg, if you're in a little bit better shape, you can go ahead and do it this way.
Yep.
So, again, it's only a 3-minute workout, Brad. So you're getting all sides of the legs. You'll feel it. I
Right.
mean, if you're a beginner, you may not even be able to do the 20 seconds to start off.
Right. Be
Might just
careful if
try-
you get a cramp. Take your time with it.
Yeah. So,
But
all right. Remember,
don't
Brad and
know.
I can fix
Oh,
just about
yeah.
anything.
except for
A broken
a
heart.
broken heart.
But we're working on it. Thanks for watching.